In this video, I'll show you how to fix black screen after champion select. Now first what you want to do is come down here and search for Task Manager, open up, and once it's open you want to head over to Details, sort by the name, press L, close down everything League related, so that means Riot Client as well, Riot Client and League of Legends Client. Then after that what you want to do is you want to find your League of Legends folder right here. Now the way you find this is by opening up your drive. I have mine on my D drive. Then simply go into Riot Games, League of Legends, and then in here what you want to do is find League Client.exe, right click, Properties, Compatibility, and disable full screen optimizations. And you want to come up here, go into Game, find League of Legends.exe, Properties, Compatibility, and do exactly the same. Now another thing you want to do is take your League of Legends here on the desktop, Properties, Compatibility, make sure it's also on disable full screen optimizations, as well as when you right click on it, open file location, you want to do the same for Riot Client, right here. Now once you've done that on the Riot Client, the League on your desktop, as well as League of Legends inside the game here, and also League Client. Once you've done that on all four of those, the game should function normally. Now that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.